T-Rex, T-Rex. What is it? It's a box. It's a box. It's a fox. It's a fox. It's six. It's six. It's an axe. It's an axe. It's an X-ray. It's an X-ray. It's a T-Rex. It's a T-Rex. Let's do the blending sound. Axe. Axe. X. Mix. Axe. Wax. Fix. X. Next. X. Text. Let's read. Our tricky word for today is love. Love. I love the goats and the foxes' hair. I love the goats and the foxes' hair. Axel has a big axe and a pet fox. Axel has a big axe and a pet fox.